Good day, everybody. I greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. And just to think about it, it's already February again. And this is a new month. So every month is basically like a new fruit, a new season. God is doing something new. And this morning when I woke up, the Lord started speaking to me out of Hebrews 13 verse 5. It says, "Let your character or moral disposition be free from love of money, including greed, avarice, lust, a craving for earthly possessions, and be satisfied with your present circumstances and what you have. For He, God Himself, has said, I will not in any way fail you, nor give you up, nor leave you without support. I will not in any degree leave you helpless, nor forsake, nor let you down. Relax my hold on you. Assuredly not." What an amazing promise by God, and where He comes with us and He gives us confidence for this new season. And you see, the thing here is we must realize that God knows exactly what you need, what your circumstances are, what your desires are. And firstly, we said we need to change our desires. We need not to have greed of earthly things, but the greed starts basically a greed for Him. He said, I will not leave you, I will not forsake you. And for us to really show God that we trust and believe in it means that we need to stay in a place of peace and of rest. He will provide. You see, man has a lot of times got this idea or this way of thinking when God says He will provide, we're expecting the millions or the billions or the extravagance, and we don't realize that every day He is providing. When you have food on the table, a roof over your head, when you have got clothes, when you've got a job and everything, when He supplies your needs for the day, He has provided. And that we need to get back to that place. We celebrate His provision, His faithfulness, and His goodness. His word can never fail. His word never, ever falls to the ground. You see, but we need to realize that. And when we start celebrating His goodness, His provision every day, then the abundance starts happening, because God knows He can trust you, that your focus and your reverence is all about Him and not on the supply. I bless you in the name of Jesus Christ.